In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a hood strut on your Ram 2500. This is going to be located under the hood. Let's get started. We're going to use a hood prop, and we're going to prop up our hood before we begin this job, just so it doesn't come down on our heads. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to get under the metal tab and pop it up. When we pop this up, we can slide it off of the post. We're going to go repeat that same process up top. Remove the hood prop. Install the new hood prop. Click it into place. Be sure that clip closes around it. Give it a push, make sure it's not going to come off. Install it onto the bottom post. Make sure it clicks in, give it a push, make sure it's locked on, remove the hood prop, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.